Cutting and slicing takes forever. What a mess. And cleanup is a pain. Introducing Clever Cutter, the 2-in-1 knife and cutting board that chops and slices food in seconds. The razor-sharp stainless steel blades slice through food quickly and easily. Unlike scissors, Clever Cutter's secret is the power pressure handles that automatically open for quicker, easier slicing to cut through food fast. Clever Cutter cuts up to 10 times faster than ordinary cutters. Just look at the difference. Quickly chop an entire Cobb salad. Slice pepperoni and cheese with ease. Cut potatoes for hash browns for a quick, easy breakfast. Cut onions so fast you won't shed a tear. Quickly slice spicy sausage and peppers for a divine dish. The wide mouth even cuts bread beautifully. Wide enough to slice apples. Top eggs with veggies for a healthy egg-salad breakfast. For lunch, carve a classic chicken Caesar salad. Slice steak in seconds for a quick, delicious dinner. Garnish your favorite dish with fresh herbs for meals bursting with flavor. Making soup takes forever. Now slice veggies right in the pot for a savory soup. It's the only knife you'll ever need to create all of these no-mess meals. Blades so sharp they cruise through corn on the cob. Dishwasher-safe. Cleanup is a breeze. Clever Cutter even has a locking safety hinge for clever storage. Introducing Clever Cutter, the 2-in-1 knife and cutting board that chops and slices food in seconds.